Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Facebook pixel on Shopify. So if you have not set up a Facebook pixel yet, then go to your events manager in Facebook ads. You will find this event manager on the left panel. Click on it and then click on connect data. And then you will see this pop-up screen. Here, choose web, the very first option, and then click on next. And after that, you will be prompted to add your business name. So add your store's name here and then click on create. Now next what you have to do is here choose this option of create manually and then choose next. Now finally you will see this option of the instructions. Click on it. Now here you will notice the pixel code. Now copy this pixel code which appears on your screen because we will need this later. Now let's install the pixel manually in Shopify. For this, open your Shopify dashboard and then click on online store. From the drop down, choose theme. Here next to the customize button, you will notice three dots. Click on it. And from the menu that appears, select edit code for your current theme. Now in the code editor, find and open theme liquid file and you will land on screen like this. Now locate the head section in the code and then press enter to create a new line under head. Here what you have to do is paste the pixel code which you copied earlier. Once done, click on save in the top right corner and this will now track page views for your Shopify store. And that's it. Try Shopify now for free. No credit card needed. And after your trial, it's $1 per month for next 3 months. Click the link to get started.